In this video, we're going to review no solution and infinite solution. So we have an equation here that is a no solution equation. It's just stated that from the beginning, but this is how we would figure it out if it didn't say no solution right on top of it. So notice that we do have the distributive property on the equation. So let's go ahead and distribute. On the left, we've got negative 8x minus 4, and on the right, negative 8x minus 2. You should notice right here that there is no way that negative 8x minus 4 can be the same as negative 8x minus 2. But let's pretend you didn't notice. So you would go to zero out your variables so that you can move, rebalance and shift it to the other side. And then actually both of them would zero out, which would leave you with a statement that says negative 4 is equal to negative 2, which is false. You could have noticed that right here because you have negative 8x take away 4 is equal to negative 8x take away 2. Take away 2, not true. Take away 2. So false, which means that there is x equals no solution. There is no solution for x. You don't even have to write x equals. You could just straight up say no solution. Which means that there is no possible solution that could work as a solution to this equation. I'm sorry, there's no possible number that could work as a solution to this equation. No possible number. So let's compare that, or let's work with, excuse me, an infinite solution. So here, let me draw my equal sign line. Okay, I do have the distributive property on the right side. So I'm going to bring down my negative 5 minus 9x. And that's equal to 3 minus 9x minus 8. I'm going to subtract 3, take away 8. That's going to give me negative 5 minus 9x. And I have negative 5 minus 9x. And we do have infinite solution because my left expression is equal to my right expression, identical. So they are two identical expressions set equal to each other. Therefore, my solution is x equals all real numbers. And this one I would write x equals because it actually can equal every real number. So every number could work as a solution. So now I'd like you to try these four and then answer the question as to whether they are all real numbers, infinite solutions, or is it no solution.